Beep bop, beep bop. As computer science students, we know that there are AIs or computers or machines in the world. And here's me, you, or other human beings who also exist in the world. Our topic is human and computer or any of the machines interacting with each other. Hence, the human-computer interaction is the name of the field. Then, given many different contexts, there can be a lot of different stories or experiences that the two different entities can be doing together. And us as researchers would like to understand this in a particular context. So what are the interactions like? What are the frames that we can use to understand what's going on? So in my particular case, the computer is the generative AI, specifically the large language model. And it's connected to a database that contains bioinformatics tutorial. The human that's interacting with the AI would be the people with CS background. We would like to frame this under the concept of information search. Information search is a human behavior to obtain information in certain ways. The benefit of having this finding, well, it's actually it's on us, but it's also on other people. Some people are gonna think, this is good. I can use or think about this when I'm designing the course. And some people would just be really shocked. Shocking, what brave new world we live in. But that's up to them. Our goal as HCI researchers would be to contribute a piece of knowledge to the larger body of work. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for listening.